Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I wanted to discuss kind of how you should be preparing for the Regents. And one of the things that I realized is that I put together this playlist of videos and I've tried to give you a graphing calculator that you can use, but I really haven't said anything about how you actually should be preparing and reviewing. So I wanted to make a couple comments about that. Well, one of the things is you shouldn't wait to see what we do in the classroom. You have your binder, you have a packet that has 50 pages of questions. So, what you should be doing if you're serious about passing this is you should be going through and trying to do as many problems as you can. I've recorded videos for 75, but if I need to, I can record more if you ask me to do more. But the thing is, you should be going through and trying to do as many problems as you can. And here's the way you should do it. You should look at the question and you should try to do it without looking at anything else. You should try to do it straight off the top of the dome. But if you struggle or if you don't remember, then you should go look at your notes or anything like that. Also, you shouldn't watch the videos first. You should try to do the problem on your own. And then if you struggle with a question or you don't remember how to do it, then you should watch the videos. You should be taking notes for things that you don't remember. But the whole idea is you should be trying to make this like kind of like an exam. So you sit down, you see the questions, you try to do the questions, and sometimes you don't actually have to calculate everything out. If you can look at a question and say, oh, all I need to do here is just store a number and then find the one that matches, you don't actually have to go through and do it. If you have the time, you should, because sometimes things pop up that you didn't expect. But generally, if you know what you need to do, what feature of the calculator that you need, then basically that's all you really need. So so my challenge to you guys is please don't just wait to see what we do in the classroom, because we're not going to get through as many problems as I'd like to. It's just the time constraints. But you should be doing problems on your own. You should be attempting problems on your own. If you get stuck or if you get it wrong or if you didn't understand it, you should watch the videos. Also, if you're watching a video, you should try to do it by yourself and then go to the video and see how I did it. Sometimes there's many ways to do it. So if you see something that's like, oh, I wouldn't have done it that way, that's okay, as long as you know which way you want to do it. So this is all about, I'm trying to give you guys some of the resources that you need. You don't have to wait on Mr. H and say, okay, Mr. H is going to review these things. I am going to review as much as I can, but we only have a limited number of days. You have a bunch of time, and you should be trying to do at least, I'd say, 5 to 10 problems on your own. And last thing, don't just do the problems that you know how to do. Try some of those ones where you're like, dang, how would I do this question? Because I don't really know what to do. And then go watch the video. And if it still doesn't make sense, say, Mr. H, I watched this video on how to solve a system of equations, and I really didn't understand it. Can you explain that? That's what I'd like to see. And I can tell you that the people, the students who are actually doing problems, they're actually trying to do problems. In addition to what we're doing in the classroom, you guys are going to do great on June 15th. So I just wanted to put this video out on how you should be preparing. Again, I wish everyone good luck, but you got to put some work in. This is the time. Use the weekend. Use your your free time. It's just a week, and after a week, you guys are going to be off for the summer. So let's make this last couple of days productive. All right, guys. Good luck. Again, if you have any questions, always reach out. You can call me. You can email me. And I'm going to try to be available. All right. Good luck.